Welcome to today's video about onion benefits for health. What if I told you that a common kitchen ingredient could be your secret weapon for better health? Have you ever wondered why onions are a staple in cuisines worldwide? What if these flavorful bulbs held the key to fighting diseases, managing your blood sugar, and even improving your heart health? Today, we're peeling back the layers on onions. Surprised? Well, there's more. Join us as we uncover the incredible health benefits of onions, from the best type to eat to the ideal amount for your daily diet, and the perfect time to consume them. Stay tuned and get ready to transform your health with just a simple addition to your meals. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Great! Now let's dive into the array of health benefits offered by onions, beginning with our first noteworthy point: rich in nutrients. Onions are a nutrient-dense food, meaning they are high in vitamins and minerals but low in calories. One medium onion contains only approximately 44 calories but delivers a considerable dose of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This includes a significant amount of vitamin C, which is vital for immune function, collagen synthesis, and tissue repair. Onions also provide small amounts of calcium, iron, folate, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, along with antioxidants. Vitamin C, for instance, is essential for the growth and repair of all tissues and aids in iron absorption. The B vitamins in onions, like folate, B9, and pyridoxine, B6, play key roles in metabolism, red blood cell production, and nerve function. Thus, incorporating onions into a diet can contribute to overall nutrient intake, supporting various bodily functions and overall health. Next, number 2. Antioxidant properties. Onions are rich in antioxidants, substances that inhibit oxidation and combat free radicals in the body. The primary antioxidants in onions are quercetin, a flavonoid, and sulfur compounds. Quercetin has been found to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease. Studies have shown that quercetin can help in preventing the oxidation of fatty acids, thus reducing the risk of chronic conditions. Additionally, the sulfur compounds in onions provide not only the distinctive smell but also potent antioxidant properties. These compounds are believed to have a protective effect against cancer, heart diseases, and diabetes. The antioxidant capacity of onions contributes to eliminating free radicals in the body, thereby reducing oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the aging process and the development of many diseases. Next, number 3. Heart health. Onions can contribute significantly to heart health due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They are rich in organosulfur compounds, which have been linked to lower blood pressure and improved overall heart health. Research has shown that the sulfur compounds in onions can reduce cholesterol levels and decrease triglyceride levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Additionally, onions contain flavonoids such as quercetin, which have been shown to help reduce heart disease risk factors, including high blood pressure. A study in overweight and obese women with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, found that consuming large amounts of raw red onions, that is 40 to 50 grams per day if overweight and 50 to 60 grams per day if obese for 8 weeks, reduced LDL cholesterol levels. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of onions can reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, improving vascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Next, number 4. Cancer-fighting compounds. Onions are noted for their cancer-fighting compounds, particularly their high levels of antioxidants and sulfur-containing molecules. Epidemiological studies have consistently shown that higher consumption of onions and other allium vegetables is associated with a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancers. The sulfur compounds, which give onions their distinctive smell, are thought to have anti-carcinogenic properties. They may help in detoxifying potential carcinogens, halt the spread of cancerous cells, and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Furthermore, the flavonoid antioxidant quercetin, found abundantly in onions, can inhibit tumor growth and spread. A comprehensive review published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention highlighted that the quercetin in onions interferes with the growth of tumors and has a protective effect against various types of cancer, making onions a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Next, number 5. Blood sugar control. Onions may play a role in blood sugar control, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. This is attributed to the sulfur compounds and flavonoids present in onions. A study published in Environmental Health Insights revealed that consuming 100 grams of fresh red onions significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels in type 1 and type 2 diabetic patients. This effect is believed to be due to the presence of sulfur compounds and chromium in onions, both of which are known to help lower blood sugar levels. Chromium, in particular, assists in regulating blood sugar by improving the response to insulin. Additionally, the phytochemicals in onions, such as quercetin, have been shown to have anti-diabetic effects. Quercetin seems to interact with cells in the small intestine, pancreas, skeletal muscle, fat tissue, and liver to control the whole body regulation of carbohydrate and lipid metabolism. Next, number 6, improves bone density. Onions may be beneficial for maintaining or improving bone density. This is particularly important in preventing osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. A study published in the journal Menopause found that women who consumed onions frequently had a 20% lower risk of hip fracture compared to those who never ate onions. The exact mechanism by which onions improve bone health is not fully understood, but it is believed that the GPCS or gamma-glutamyl propionyl cysteine sulfoxide found in onions may be responsible. This compound has been shown to decrease bone breakdown and increase bone formation. Furthermore, the high content of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in onions might contribute to bone health by combating oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can lead to bone weakening. Regular consumption of onions as part of a balanced diet may therefore be a beneficial strategy in the prevention and management of osteoporosis. Next, number 7, improves digestive health. Onions are beneficial for digestive health due to their high inulin content, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Inulin feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, which results in the production of short-chain fatty acids or SCFAs like butyrate. These SCFAs are essential for colon health and play a role in preventing colon cancer. Furthermore, a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for optimal digestion, immune function, and even mental health. Studies have shown that inulin can help improve gut health by increasing the number of friendly bacteria in the colon, particularly bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. These bacteria are important for preventing gut-related diseases and promoting a healthy immune system. Additionally, the fiber in onions can help prevent constipation and maintain regular bowel movements, contributing to overall digestive health. Next, number 8, anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory effects of onions are largely attributed to their sulfur compounds and quercetin. These compounds can help combat inflammation throughout the body, which is beneficial in reducing symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Quercetin, a potent flavonoid antioxidant found in onions, has been shown to inhibit inflammation-causing agents at a cellular level. Studies suggest that quercetin can suppress inflammatory pathways and help reduce pain and swelling. Additionally, the sulfur compounds in onions have been found to have similar anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds inhibit enzymes that produce pro-inflammatory substances, thus reducing inflammation. A study in the journal Planta Medica reported that thiosulfonates, sulfur compounds found in onions, exhibit anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial in treating conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Next, number 9, immune system support. Onions contribute to immune system support primarily through their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is essential for a robust immune system as it helps stimulate the production and function of white blood cells, which are key to fighting infections. Moreover, as an antioxidant, vitamin C protects these immune cells from damage by harmful molecules like free radicals. Additionally, onions contain selenium, a mineral that is important for initiating immune response and regulating excessive immune responses and chronic inflammation. The prebiotic fibers in onions, particularly inulin, also play a role in supporting the immune system. They promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which are crucial for a healthy immune system. A well-functioning gut microbiota aids in the production of necessary nutrients and the defense against pathogens. Regular consumption of onions can therefore be a simple yet effective way to support overall immune health. Next, number 10, improves skin and hair health. Onions are beneficial for skin and hair health due to their high content of vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Vitamin C in onions helps in the production of collagen, a protein that is important for skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. It also assists in skin repair and may help reduce UV damage. Vitamin E, an antioxidant, protects the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Furthermore, the sulfur in onions is essential for the formation of keratin, a protein that is vital for strong hair. Studies have indicated that the application of onion juice to the scalp can promote hair growth in some cases of alopecia area by enhancing circulation. However, more research is needed to fully understand the impact of onions on hair health. Nevertheless, consuming onions can contribute to overall skin and hair health due to their nutrient-rich profile. Next, number 11. Improve sleep and mood. The prebiotic fibers in onions, such as inulin, may have positive effects on sleep and mood. The gut-brain axis is the biochemical signaling that takes place between the gastrointestinal tract and the central nervous system. Prebiotics like inulin can alter the composition of gut microbiota and have been shown to affect brain function and mood. A study in the journal Frontiers in Behavioral Neuroscience found that dietary prebiotics can improve non-REM sleep as well as REM sleep after a stressful event. Additionally, the gut microbiota can produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulate mood. A balanced gut microbiota, supported by prebiotic-rich foods like onions, is essential for maintaining a healthy mood and preventing disorders such as anxiety and depression. Next, we will see the types of onions to eat. There are several types of onions, each with unique flavors and potential health benefits. The most common types include red onions, known for their deep purple skin and a mild to sweet flavor. They are high in anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. Yellow onions, the most commonly used variety, with a balance of astringency and sweet in their flavor, making them very versatile in cooking. White onions, they have a sharper and more pungent flavor than yellow onions. They also have a high fiber and sulfur content. Green onions, scallions, mild in flavor, they are often used in salads and as a garnish. They contain beneficial compounds found in both onions and leafy greens. Next, we will see recommended daily intake of onions. The ideal quantity of onions varies based on individual dietary needs and health conditions. However, a general guideline can be, for general health, consuming half to 1 whole medium onion daily can be beneficial. Specific health goals. For those targeting specific health benefits like blood sugar control, higher amounts might be recommended, but it's important to consult with a healthcare provider. Next, best times to consume onions. In the morning, adding onions to breakfast dishes can kickstart metabolism. They blend well in omelettes or breakfast skillets. During lunch, onions can be included in salads or sandwiches to add flavor and nutrients without many calories. In the evening, incorporating onions into dinner recipes can help leverage their nutrient profile for overnight body restoration processes. Consumption tips. Raws cooked. Raw onions retain more antioxidants and sulfur compounds, but cooked onions are easier to digest and can be more palatable for some people. Diversity in diet. It's beneficial to consume a variety of onion types to gain a range of nutrients and antioxidants. Moderation is key. While onions are healthy, consuming them in extremely large quantities can lead to digestive distress in some individuals. Now, let's see the potential concerns. FODMAPs. Onions contain FODMAPs, which can cause digestive issues in people with irritable bowel syndrome. Blood thinning effects. The natural blood thinners in onions can interact with blood thinning medications, so it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider if you're on such medication. In conclusion, incorporating different types of onions into your diet at various meals can provide numerous health benefits. However, it's important to adjust the amount based on individual tolerance and health objectives. Remember, onions are most beneficial when part of a balanced diet. As we've seen today, the humble onion is more than just a culinary staple. It's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unlocked in your kitchen. We hope you're inspired to incorporate more onions into your diet and experience their incredible health advantages. Remember, whether raw or cooked, red, yellow, or green, each onion has its unique flavor and health benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights and tips. Have any questions or suggestions for our next video? Leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And here's to your health and happiness with every slice of onion you add to your life.